Hello everyone. In this video, I want to clearly explain whether it is possible to recover deleted Instagram messages. Many people online are showing the same method. They tell you to export and download your Instagram data. After that, they say you just unzip the folder and you will see all your deleted chats. This sounds good, but it is not true. When you request your Instagram data, Instagram only exports the messages that are currently available in your inbox. If a chat or message was deleted before, it will not appear in the exported file. Even after unzipping the folder and checking every message file, you will only see existing conversations. Deleted messages are not included and cannot be restored this way. So in simple words, at this time, it is not possible to recover deleted Instagram messages. Instagram does not keep deleted chats available for recovery. The only thing you can try is checking your phone notification history. If message notifications were saved on your device, you might still see parts of those messages there. This depends on your phone and notification settings. Thanks for watching.